Tuhin Sinha, the charge is this is entirely being orchestrated, remote controlled by Devendra Fadnavis in Mumbai and the Home Ministry in Delhi. You have the police commissioner after he's transferred making these allegations. While he was police commissioner, he didn't say a word. Now he's gone to the Supreme Court, hasn't gone to the Bombay High Court. And interestingly, when he writes a letter or an email making these allegations, the email is CC'd to the governor. Now, is Parambir Singh a politician? Is he a proxy for Devendra Fadnavis and the Home Ministry in Delhi? Or is he a police officer of integrity? Why did he not make these allegations when he was in service?
So in that case, Rajdeep, what is stopping the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray ji, from sacking this police officer who is doing this while in service? That is precisely because the Honorable Chief Minister also knows that there is some amount of truth in it, if not in entirety. And you asked the NCP spokesperson multiple times why Anil Deshmukh has not been asked to quit yet. Can I answer that, if you may allow me to?
Yes, you can. While you're not answering my central question as to why is the BJP politicizing the issue, but you go ahead first.
No. So the simple reason why Anil Deshmukh is not being asked to quit is this: when Parambir Singh was removed from the post of Commissioner of Police, he started blaming Anil Deshmukh. Now, imagine if Anil Deshmukh is removed, he will name the real kingpins who in all likelihood are going to be the top bosses of NCP and Shiv Sena. That is the simple reason. As to why we are politicizing it, are you trying to say we should keep quiet?
No, you should keep quiet. My point is, no, sir, you have every right, Mr. Sinha, a political party. Just a minute, sir. No, just a minute, Mr. Tapse, 1 minute. Mr. Tapse, no cross-talk. Tuhin Sinha, the BJP has every right to take this up politically. The question, though, is, which I asked you, is that the Commissioner of Police, when he was in the service, didn't say a word. Now, suddenly, after he's transferred out, remembers of 100 crore Vasuli. What does that show? There seems to be
I believe that Parambir Singh is no saint. He should have done it one month ago. But are you trying to say that the entire set of allegations that he has leveled should not be probed?
Of course,
Today, let me just complete. Today, he is on a higher moral ground than Sharad Pawar because he has the authority, he has the audacity to go to the Supreme Court. But Sharad Pawar has been hoodwinking all talks of a probe on some pretext or the other.
I will ask you. You have made an important admission that you believe Parambir is not a saint. Therefore, is the BJP using Parambir Singh, Tuhin Sinha to try and bring down the NCP Shiv Sena government? Is this about politics or is this about cleaning up the... Just a minute, sir. No, sir, just a minute. Sir, just a minute, sir. Parambir Singh was promoted to Thane Police Commissioner when Fadnavis was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Parambir Singh has, according to Maharashtra police sources, been someone who has been close to the BJP leadership as well. Today, you are saying he's not a saint. Interesting.
So you are answering my... Rajdeep, you're answering my question. Till Devendra Fadnavis ji was the CM, did any of these scandals erupt? Which means that they were well behaved till the BJP government was in power. It was only in the last 1 year, and mind you, Parambir Singh is not an isolated case. Are you aware of Subodh Jaiswal? I'm sure you're aware of Subodh Jaiswal. A DGP had to seek transfer out of Maharashtra because he was sick of the handling of the Maharashtra political masters. Are you aware?
Okay,